Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quote video using your app. On the dashboard, scroll down and hit Quote Videos right over here. Alright, we are now in the customization page. First, give your project a title. Let's say project. Now, let's look at these different options. Slide settings is where you set the slide time. So whether you want to shorten or lengthen the duration of the slides, you may do so. So let's say 6, so that means 6 seconds. Okay? 7, that means 7 seconds, and so on and so forth. The slide quote is where you choose or search for famous quotes that you can use for your video. Simply enter a keyword here and hit the search button. So let's say I want to search for quotes about children. All right. Okay. So you may browse at those populated quotes. And once you have chosen a quote, simply click on the add button. So it will automatically be added to the current slide. So let's say I want this quote. I'm going to click on add. And here, it goes right here. Okay. Now, the next option is where you get to customize the text. You may edit the text itself through this option right here. You can also choose from our font library. So these are the font sizes, or font styles. Okay. And you can also choose a text color as well as some text background. Okay. Okay, you have the option to add opacity or transparency of the background, whichever you like, whichever will complement the background or the background image, okay, to make it more pleasing to the eyes. You may also apply blur, and you may also remove the background through the tick boxes. Okay. All right. Next is the upload button. It will let you upload a file from your local storage by clicking on this button. Let's say I'm gonna upload a picture. Okay. All right. We'll just wait for the picture. All right. And you can also view your uploaded files. Let's say you have already saved or you have already used previous images or videos. You may access it right here. Okay. All right. And next we have the library option. We have a built-in library wherein you can just search for a particular keyword for a particular image or video. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna search for the children again. Children images. Just hit the search button and it will start populating images that is related to the keyword you've just entered. Let's say I find this one cute. So as you can see, it has already been added to the current slide. Okay. So now when you scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard, you will see this new slide button. Just click on that, and that is how you can add slides, as many as you want. Okay, just go over the customization. Just repeat the process for the rest of the slides. Okay, and once you're done with the slides, just hit the save button and go to the next step. Now, this page is where you can add your own logo or your own watermark, or both. Okay. Now we have the recommended size of the logo and watermark. That's 300 by 100 pixels. So let's say you have uploaded a logo that is more than the size of the recommended one. So the app will automatically resize the logo or the watermark. Okay. And this option right here is where you can choose from the 4 different quadrants where you can position your logo. Let's say I'm going to upload a logo. Okay. Okay. And this logo will be positioned right at the upper right hand corner. Okay. You may remove the logo if you change your mind. Just click on this tick box. Okay. All right. So once you're done, click on save and hit next for the next customization. Now we are on the page where we can add our own music, or you can choose from our audio library here. Just click on this little icon right here to hear how it sounds. Okay. Okay. Load more for more music options. Okay. And once you have selected, just click on the use button. All right. You also have this text-to-speech feature. This is where you can generate human voice-like sound. The slide means the slide number. So let's say this is the slide number 1. And let's say I want to apply text-to-speech to this particular text or this particular sentence. I'm going to choose a language. I'm going to choose an accent. I'll be generating it. Play to preview how it sounds. And if it's good for you, then click on Save and Use. All right. Now you will see that at the upper right-hand corner, TTS has been selected. Okay. If you want to save it for all, then click on this back. So it will be saved for all the remaining slides. Okay. So that will be good for slide number 1, slide number 2, and slide number 3. All right. Okay. And we have an important note here that if you can only select either music or TTS for a single campaign. When you select TTS, it requires you to generate speech for each slide of the campaign or to save it for all. If you select music, it requires you to select a single music file to be added as a whole in the video. But if you have selected both, then music will have the priority. Okay. Just take note of that. Music will have the priority. All right. So once you're done with customizing, by the way, you can upload your own logo or of your own audio. Just click on this one. Let's say I'm going to upload my own music track. Okay. Okay. Here. No, this is a TTS file. This is my music. Okay. Just click use if you want to use my own music. By the way, the maximum file size is 5 MB and the format should be in MP3. All right. Okay. Once you're done customizing, hit save and next. Now, before rendering your video, you get to choose an output quality of Full HD or an HD, and you get to choose an output format. If you wish to upload as a GIF, then so basically GIF will not have, or it will delete all of the audio from the video. So we recommend that you use an MP4 for that. Okay, start creating video. Now your video will be seen in the dashboard, and it will show the status like downloading resources.